Neuralink is a neurotechnology company founded by Elon Musk in 2016. The company aims to develop implantable brain-machine interface (BMI) devices that can directly link the human brain with computers. The goal of Neuralink is to enhance human capabilities, treat neurological disorders, and ultimately create a symbiotic relationship between humans and artificial intelligence (AI). The technology being developed by Neuralink involves implanting tiny, flexible electrodes called threads into the brain. These threads are thinner than a human hair and are capable of monitoring and stimulating brain activity at a high resolution. The threads are implanted using a surgical robot to minimize invasiveness and improve precision. Neuralink's BMI devices are designed to enable bidirectional communication between the brain and external devices, such as computers or smartphones. They can potentially allow individuals to control digital devices or interact with virtual environments using their thoughts alone. Conversely, these devices could also provide sensory feedback directly to the brain, allowing for enhanced perception or the treatment of neurological conditions. The applications of Neuralink's technology are wide-ranging. It has the potential to revolutionize healthcare by offering new treatments for neurological disorders such as Parkinson's disease, epilepsy, and paralysis. Additionally, it could enhance cognitive abilities, memory, and learning, and even provide a pathway for humans to keep pace with rapidly advancing artificial intelligence. It's important to note that as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, Neuralink is still in the early stages of development. They have conducted experiments on animals and have performed initial human trials for medical research purposes. The long-term vision of Neuralink involves refining the technology, obtaining regulatory approval, and making it accessible to a broader population in the future.